Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to introduce the search engine optimization for the beginners. So basically I will introduce the on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO and the local SEO. So this video is going to a very informational and helpful for you. So make sure please watch this video till end, and if you like the video, if anything you want to learn from this of this video, then please like my video and subscribe this channel. So let's start the video and going to introduce what is SEO and the search engine optimization. So basically SEO is stand for the search engine optimization. When anyone wants to search in a Google or search engine result page, he wants to their results on Google. For example, I'm going to search here, for example, digital marketing services. So if I search the digital marketing services term, then you can see the some results on search engine result page. This is the dashboard where the all the results are showing, which is called the search engine result page. So if anyone wants to search any term, for example I searched digital marketing services, then this is the result in blue titles. All right, so this is all the result. We are going to try to hide the rank on Google search engine result page. So basically SEO is stand for the visibility. It shows the visibility how to rank for these pages in a Google search engine result page. So basically we are going to try how can we enhance our web pages or websites on Google search engine result page, or how to rank in a Google. So this is actually the SEO. So it have two type. The first one is on-page SEO and the second one is off-page SEO. On-page SEO, where we optimize our web pages, it have some parameters, the on-page SEO parameters. So for example, if you have a fresh website or new domain, so how can you do the SEO for the particular website? So in a for fresh website, we are going to optimize our web pages. In optimization, we will do the meta tags, meta titles. We will check out the overall website. First of all, we will audit the website and resolve and find out the issues and the bugs for the particular website. And we will find out the keyword we will find out the keywords for the particular keywords for the particular projects. And we will do the on page. In on page we will do the heading tags, meta tags, content optimization, URL structure, overall your keywords mapping, keyword research for the particular landing page. And we will check out all the issues, sitemap, robot.txt, so robot.txt and all other parameters. So after optimizing the our particular web pages or websites, we will do the off-page SEO. In off-page SEO, we will do the submit our backlinks, and we will create the backlinks on high quality websites. So for example, if I have a website digifast, so I will create the backlinks for the particular domain. So I will find out the high domain authority and page authority for the particular website or project or landing page. So I will create the backlinks for the particular websites. So Google comes at our website and scan the overall source code of my website, and it will pass the links used for the particular backlinks or the for the landing page. So it will gives you a rank in a Google search engine result page. If I will do the high domain authority, if I will use the high domain authorities website, then it will gives you a more link juice for your landing pages. So it works like this. First of all, Google comes at your website. It is crawling, and after that Google's index your web pages. Indexing, that means Google scan your source code of your website, and after that it will cache your web pages. So basically Google search engine works like this. And we will create the backlinks. So it is the on page is called the optimization of the web pages, and off page is we will create the backlinks on high quality websites. And after that we will talk about the technical SEO. So technical SEO is just like a technical some points and the subset of SEO. The SEO is the overall strategy we will do in our project, and the technical SEO is the subset of SEO. So basically in SEO, in technical SEO, we will check out the overall website speed, site structure, link handling, sitemaps, and all other mobile friendliness. So we will check out also we will check out the HTTPS and SSL. So we will check out all the parameters in technical SEO. So last we will talk about the local SEO. So if you have a local business in a multiple cities or multiple areas, then we will do the we will do the local SEO. Let's I'm showing to something. So if you have a brand, or you have a particular brand or particular service, and you want to distribute your service or expand your services in a multiple cities or multiple areas, then what we will do, you will firstly make a Google business page. So for Google business page, I'm going to show you. You have to just write digifaz on Google, and this is the page actually. So this is called the Google My Business page, and you can see I created the two pages. For the first one is DigiFast Best Local SEO Services in Delhi, and in the second one is DigiFast Digital Marketing Services. So I'm just going to say that if you have a brand, or if you have a shopping sites or something, expanding the multiple cities in for your business, so you will create the multiple and you will verify the multiple you will verify the your business in multiple areas. So the Google My Business, for you will create a create a Google My Business page. So simply you can create a your page, and for optimizing you will make a perfect title, and you can make a review, and as well as you will make sure that if you are using the targeted keywords in your title, then you have to use that particular title in the descriptions also. As well as you can update services, you can update the phone numbers and the other if you want to create the post, then you can post on a Google My Business page. So after all you can create the schemas of local schemas for the particular product and the landing pages. So optimizing the Google My Business page. So local SEO works. Then how can you enhance the business in particular areas or the local areas? So these are the strategies or the simple introduction, then how to do the SEO, or how the SEO is different from the technical SEO, and what we will do in off page, and what are the Google My Business page. I hope this video is helps you. If you like the video, then please like this video and subscribe my channel DigiFast. Thank you so much.